Hey, it's Icy Breeze here, and today we are opening Silly Squishies, Silly Squishies. So let's rip it open from the bottom because we can. Actually, no, let's rip it from the top. I got it started on the bottom, so we will have a two-way open top.
Yeah.
Silly Squishies. Camera mommy ordered them for us, and I was so excited when I saw them. Well, didn't technically see them because they're in these little capsule blind bags. So let's open the first one. So there's 8 of them, correct? We got a kitty. Let's give it the squish test. Whoops. I'll pick that up after that video. I do not litter.
Thank you, pretty pink.
Oh, this is heaven. Now I know why people just have channels for squishies. Oh my gosh, mine. Okay, let's open up the second one. That was squishy heaven. So we have gotten the kitty, the kitty, the kitty, the kitty, the kitty, the kitty. I'm gonna rip this one open.
Oh, I thought we could have them on camera with you, but we can't have you and them on camera.
This is the piggy. Why did... I'm just gonna shove this in the watering can. Piggy. Ah. Ah. Oh my gosh. Mommy and Grace. Now I know how Mommy and Gracie feel when they open real silly squishies for the first time. I want like the panda. But this is not the panda, this is the ducker. Sorry, I'm actually gonna let you see it now. Squishy. This one feels like a lucky one. A lucky one. A lucky one. A lucky one. Look, there's a chicken over there. Why don't you throw the duck at them?
Oh, no.
No.
Is there a chicken?
Here's our options. Like we can pick anything. So here is the...
You got the panda bear.
This is the panda! Squish it, squish, squish. Sorry. You see, I have like a panda collection. Like I have a panda pillow, a bunch of panda stuffed animals, and now I have this panda squishy. Squishy! Squishy! Can you guess my favorite animal? If you said panda, you are actually wrong.
Panda noises. Panda noises.
Ooh, what is? A koala.
Wow. Squishy.
Squishy.
Koala noises.
Oh,
Koala noises.
candy.
Ooh,
Ow.
candy.
I just looked
Candy noises. Candy noises.
Do you think they're all going to be different ones?
We'll see.
There's exactly 8. And we ordered exactly 8. I want that pink rabbit. Is this the panda again? No, this is actually the dog. Like a break. Like a break. Ooh, this one's not squishy. Squish both these. Watch out.
Oh, it is harder. Oh, that's weird. Here, watch. She's squishy. 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 Oh, that's weird.
I think those 2 are going to be pretty pinks. We got the bunny rabbit! Squish! These are a little sticky though. Do you think it's because they're now? Oh, we're on to our last one. So sad.
No. There should be one more. 1, 2. Oh, I can count. That's the last one. La la la. It's because I was holding the bunny when I counted.
That means this time we have to get the mouse. Then we'll have the entire collection. And it's gray. Guess I need some nails. And squeak! What's the mice from Soul Eater's name?
I don't know. I forget.
I'm gonna just squish it up into a little ball. And watch
You
it.
can barely see it. Uh-oh. Well, if I hit that camera.
So here, I'm gonna...
Here, do it again. That was my fault. Ooh. It's like magic. I'm not sure the dog would do that. No, the dog is just different.
Look,
Why is the dog different?
you can make mouse cookies.
He just
You know those
rolled away.
You know those cookies you
Well,
get at
it's a
Walmart?
bun. They're supposed to be animal buns. But
Squishy.
why is the doggy different?
Okay, I'm really gonna squish this guy to death. I'm gonna give another guy a turn. Panda, I'm squishing the panda. I want to try to squish all of them at once.
Oh, here. Here's a wallaby bear. We can't see you. Wow. Oh, that's magical, except you're like disappearing.
These are like stuck together. They're two birds and a feather.
Except one's a pig.
Two animals and
So you actually can buy one of these separately, or you can buy the whole 8 as a set. But Icy didn't know. It was a surprise. So, silly squishies, animal buns.
I want 55,100 more of these.
And they actually have a really, really cute Hello Kitty Halloween donut right now that I wanted so bad. It's
Why did
so
you
cute.
get it?
It's $15 so, and I didn't know if we'd like them. And if I bought everything at once, it would all be one video. And
How would you not think I would not like these?
I don't know. We hadn't opened them before.
Squishies are magical. If you have never had squishies before, or if you have had imposter squishies, then you need to get the real thing because they're awesome. At least I've heard that imposter ones aren't as cool, and I'm throwing.
Kind of like the dog, even though I know it came from Squishies. He's not as cool.
Yeah, he's like.
Yeah, he doesn't like
Yay.
do anything.
And he's like, yeah.
Yeah, they do the nice slow and. I feel like we should start some game of whack-a-mole.
Wait, how would they appear for you?
I don't know. Somebody to get hit. Let us know in the comments. Do you have silly squishies?
And also let me know what kind of, like, I want to do a makeup tutorial. Tell me what you want me to try to makeup tutorial. So please like this video and subscribe to the Ask the Bree Show. And in the comments, let me know if you think these are so squishy. Squishy, 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 squishy. It's a new hit song. Squishy, 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 squishy.